you're looking for a way to create synthetic data from your Domo datasets so then you can share apps and you can show dashboards and use it as marketing material, let me show you exactly how to do that. So in this, you can see I'm using replit.com. And I'll share this link, but if you go to, not that one, that's an old Loom. So I guess in this case, I will just pull up the original. Um, you're going to need to enter in all of your own secrets for it. Let me just grab the URL. There, we got it right there. If you go to this URL, it's going to pull up the public one. All you're going to do is click remix this app. Once you've clicked that, if you have a Replit account, just store it as private, but public, no one can see your private keys anyway, so you can connect everything up, use it in public mode, and that will all be good. So you'll just click public, you'll click remix, and then it's going to create one for you. And it's going to have right here your index.js, and you'll just want to go down to secrets. And inside here, all you need to do is go ahead and put in OpenAI. You're going to put in a client ID from Domo, a client secret, and a Domo data set. And then this is if you want it to push to another one. You actually don't need this right now. And then this is a Domo developer token. So you need those three things. These ones will be found at developer.domo.com. This one will be inside your instance. So I'm not going to pull up uh, the client ID client secret, but I'll pull up a developer token, make sure you know where that one is. So we've got access tokens right here. And then if you just generate a new one right here, you'll say what it's for. This is for Replit example. And then you'll just say, for your account, you'll generate it. It'll be active for a certain amount of time. You'll enter it in. You'll then want to go to, like I was saying, developer.domo.com. And inside there, that's going to give you, actually, let's just go to that URL. I don't think it's going to log us in. So you'll go here. Mine's right now saying my account. Yours will probably say dev portal login. You'll click that, just select all of the scopes. You'll need them. Then come back here. You'll put in all of these items. You'll also need to go to OpenAI or ChatGPT and grab a developer token for it. And then from there, you're all good to go. The only other thing I guess you might want to know is how do you go and find the ID that you need for a data set? So just right here. So go find whatever it is that you want to mutate, grab that, and bring it back. And then you'll put that in for Domo Dataset ID original. For this one, you can actually just generally ignore it. You won't need anything there because it can just by default drop a fake data CSV, and it'll just look like something like this. It will be able to handle both keeping things stagnant. So if something is a unique ID, it'll keep replicating it. And if something has a similar name over and over, it won't create a new name. It'll use the existing names to create it. Because you can see like right here, this one right here, the item name has stayed the same and it doesn't duplicate it and make another one. So that way the data is just a little bit more solid. And this will use standard deviation so it doesn't create completely different data. It keeps it very similar, but isn't using random numbers, which is an awesome thing that I built into it. So hope you find that entertaining. Again, I'll share the link to this so then you can build your own.